Okay.
So next step, we reset the keyboard. Okay, on Bluetooth function ZG. Okay, keyboard reset. Now function 1 2 3 4. Okay, add device Bluetooth. Okay, no keychron. Function 2 1 2 3 4. Okay, no keychron as well. Function 3 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, no keychron. After reset, no cannot discover Bluetooth.